Get into the 2024 Honda HR-V. This HR-V helps you meet the demands of your busy life in comfort and style, from its ingenious seating options to its advanced safety and connectivity technology. This small SUV is the definition of convenience and efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, backup camera, alarm, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control. This Honda HR-V is the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and cleverness. Come in for a test drive experience and take a closer look.